Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge, myself Tufan from the StockEdge research team. If you are not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform, and if you have not yet downloaded our new version, please download StockEdge version 13. So before proceeding, I would like to share one thing, that is retrospectively it's very easy for anyone to say that these things has happened due to some other things. That means we live in a world of causality, right? Behind every effect, there is a cause. And now, standing today, anyone can tell that market has fallen due to tariffs. But before the market came down, it requires a lot of clarity to say that yes, market is going to come down. So for that, I would like to share one video with you all. So 8 days back, I created this video that is IT sector due for a correction, and since that day IT stocks or IT index, you can say, is down by more than 18%. Let's have a look at the chart. So around this zone, I told that we are going to see a lot of downside in Nifty IT, and from here it is down by more than 18%. Yes friends, it is down by more than 18%. And what might happen from here, I would like to share that as well. So for that, let me just go to weekly chart. On weekly chart, you can see that today Nifty IT has taken support around this yellow colored upward sloping line. So what is this? This is basically a channel, upward sloping channel, and today price has taken support exactly on this floor of the channel, right? So from here, if it gives a breakdown, then a lot of downside we will see further, but don't need to panic right away. We need to watch and see that whether this low gets breached or not. So as of now, we might see there some kind of bounce back, and the levels on the upside would be around this blue colored line, and on the downside this is the support. So this blue colored line is basically the upward sloping line from the COVID low. So if we see a bounce back, we might see a bounce back till this level. And on the downside, if it comes further, we need to watch this particular zone, because this is not only the floor of this channel, but also you can say it is around the previous swing low. Now I would like to go to Nifty's chart. So before going to Nifty's chart, I would like to share a few videos in the recent past that, is the fear index about to explode? My last day's video, that is on VIX, and you just have a look at VIX today. Nifty to make new lows soon. Nifty crash inevitable. Nifty is falling. Big fall ahead. Market recovery or the biggest trap. So all these videos I had been creating since the last few weeks. That is when we were in March series, I was telling that this is a fake rally and we are going to see a new low soon. So let's get back to chart. So this is Nifty's chart, daily time frame. I have just zoomed in a bit. Today, Nifty has opened with a gap down. Previous close was around this level, and today it gapped down and opened around this level. It was approximately 1100 points down in spot, right? But interestingly, it took support around this red colored line, What is the significance of this red colored line? For that, I would like to go to, higher time frame chart. Let's go to weekly. So this red colored line is basically from 2008 high. You can say from this 2008 high, I have extended this line, and currently Nifty is standing exactly around that zone. Now what might happen from here? For that, again, I am going to Delhi. In my earlier video, I gave a level in Nifty 50, that is 21,750. If you don't believe my word, just go and watch my earlier video. Exactly. Which video I am talking about? Nifty's head and shoulder pattern. In this video, which I created 3 weeks back, in this particular video, I had given a level of 21,750, exactly 750. Now, why 750? If you just look at this daily chart, you will find that I had drawn one head and shoulder over here. And you know, in head and shoulder, what happens is, this is the high and this is the neckline, correct? So this level, this is 26,277, the highest point over here, and the neckline is around 24,014. If you do the difference and you subtract it from this 24,014, it exactly comes around this zone, which is 21,750. So this is number one. Number two is this red line is also the secular trend line from 2008 high. 2008 high. So this is point number two. Not only that, apart from that, there is a multiple support level around this zone, which is again stands to around 21,750. So there are multiple support, or you can say confluence of supports around 21,750, and today the low that Nifty has created is 21,743, 21,743, ekdam 21,750 basically, right? So from here, what is going to happen? That's the most important question I would like to answer. So you need to keep track of this today's low, that is 21,750 on the downside, and on the upside 22,400. Why 22,400? Because there is also a falling wedge, you can see, or you can say the floor of this falling wedge around this level, it's around 22,400. So if it gives a bounce back, we might see a bounce back from this current level to 22,400 or 22,500, and on the downside 21,700. So on the downside, this level is important, and on the upside, this level is important for further rally on either side. If it gives a breakdown from here, we will see further downside, and if it gives a breakout from this zone, we might see a further bounce back. So when Nifty was hovering around this level, that is 23,869, I told that this particular rally is basically a fake rally. Yes, if you go to my video section, you will find that I had mentioned this particular thing. And from here, Nifty is down by approximately 2,000 points. It's basically more than that, because 23,869, that was the level, and today's low is 21,743, right? So it's basically more than 2,000 points, correct? So from here, the levels that I had mentioned, you need to track this low, and again this 22,400 to 22,500, that you need to keep tracking. Fine. So I hope I could throw some light in the current market scenario. Please do share it with your near and dear ones, and don't forget to put a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great trading session ahead. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.